9:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warning in effect until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Flooding caused by rain and snowmelt is expected. Areas affected include portions of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Gallia, Lawrence, Meigs and Washington, and West Virginia, including the following counties: Mason and Wood. The hazardous weather can be expected until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 9:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, local law enforcement reported flooding of creeks in Meigs County due to rain and snowmelt in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkersburg, Marietta, Belpre, Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Pomeroy, Rio Grande, Racine, Couville, Rutland, Fork Run State Park, Lake Vesuvius, Vienna, Williamstown, New Haven, Mason, Tuppers Plains, Washington, Lubeck, and Boaz. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. The hazardous weather can be expected. It's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday for the following counties: in Ohio, Athens, Meigs and Washington, and the following counties: in West Virginia, Mason and Wood.